It's the reflection from our light.
What was that?
Shut it down!
It's the well.
Control situation.
The pressure's rising way too fast.
There's...
We got this one. I have a search party looking for the other two.
Check it out. Told you never seen anything like this.
He's on the far side. Here, come on.
What is it, bear?
No.
I knew it. I knew it as soon as I heard it was you on the call.
Would it be possible for there to be like a giant sea creature here in North Dakota? Come on. What are you? Want the oil? See?
Hey! Get back here! Hey! Stay fucking steady.
No, 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 no.
Get back here!
Something dangerous.
What are you looking to do with it?
Because it's private property and you're not allowed to go in here.
But,
Battery's dead. I'm gonna push it over the other garage. You guys just keep looking around. Hey!
Meredith?
Okay.
Please.
It's kind of rude of you not to give me a ride home.
What was that?
Oh. What? Whoa!
Go!
Right! I said right!
I've tried!
Do you even have your license? Who are you talking to?
That!
take a look and see. Right, let's go.
You should be fine for the night. Thank you for the incredibly weird night.
Sit still, would you?
Stop. Stop. Give me some space. Move fast. There's an engine for my truck. Right? Watch. Lift this up, would you? Okay, Creech, let's get you fed.
I like your truck.
This looks like if a garbage truck took a dump.
I don't know, he's hyper. Why would he be hyper all of a sudden?
Oh no, what are you doing?
Don't like those either.
Hey, Dad.
This yours?
Well, at least we know where that thing came from.
These men want to have a word with you, Trip. They want...
Sold me out to them.
Not selling you out to no one. I just want to do what's best.
You're not the police. You don't have the right to take him.
I'll hurt you, kid.
Off of me.
That thing is in the truck!
Move over!
What the heck is going on here?
No, go faster.
Fan out, cut him off. Don't let him out of town.
Train him to do this?
Yes.
Whoa!
Watch this.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Way to go, Creech!
You scared of fire?
Hey, whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm gonna get you home. I promise you that.
It would be unethical to kill them. Unethical.
He's gone.
Why would he leave?
Wait, your cell phone's in the truck? There he is.
Wait, Terravex?
Maybe he went inside.
He came here for them. That's why he left.
Hey, guys, check out Warehouse 3. Bring them with me.
But I want to help you.
Why?
There's a lot of really weird stuff going on right now, and I need your help.
What do you need?
Nice shot. Hey there. You're looking good.
Allow me.
Let's go. We got him.
Thanks, Mr. Withers.
Okay, Dowd, you can open your eyes now.
Did we make it?
Ha, ha!
It's poison. We gotta stop that tanker. They're gonna poison the nest.
Okay, we need to move fast.
Light it up.
Rick?
Go! Come on,
Righty tighty. We have to stop the poison.